The 2020 Toyota Sienna. Sienna offers excellent overall quality and long-term dependability, making it a hassle-free vehicle to drive day in and day out while contributing to peace of mind on long road trips. Add a refined and fuel-efficient V6 engine, a smooth ride, and upscale interior accommodations to the mix, and it's easy to see that Sienna is built with the whole family in mind. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, CD player, power windows, compass, rear window defroster, electronic stability control, trip computer, tachometer, panic alarm, brake assist, remote keyless entry, overhead console, power driver's seat, driver vanity mirror, tilt steering wheel, cloth seats. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.